Hi my awesome adult doll lovers, it's me Elena. Probably everyone already heard about this problem with Copa, and I just wanna say that all dolls on my YouTube channel for adult collectors, and it's not my idea, it's stated by the manufacturer, clearly said on the box that it's 15 years old and older. So if you're less than 15 years old, especially if you're less than 13 years old, I need to say that you just need to close my channel and find something more fun for yourself.
You are not prepared!
Until recently, I had only one Alvastaria doll, and it's Tiea with pink hair. Here she is. And then something unexpected happened. Ta-da! Damn, I still can't believe that I have two more Alvastaria dolls, and of course I'm gonna review them and tell my opinion. And today I'm gonna open Tiea because I'm so looking forward to seeing them together with the one I already have. If you are not familiar with Alvastaria doll line, it's about steampunk civilization. The main characters are sister and brother, Katie and Neil. Katie decided to leave her village in search of adventurers. Her brother, worried about his sis, decided to go with her. Katie and Neil are not the only characters in this story. There are others as well. Two of them are twins, Tiea and Theo. They are tailors, and this release is picnic themed. It's a holiday for them, and instead of working in the shop, they decided to relax and have a picnic. Tiea is responsible for packing dishes, tea, bread and sweets in the trunk, while Theo is carrying the small table and rolling the mat. Okay, now you know the story about the series. Let's start unboxing this wonderful cutie. I already can't wait to start doing this. I know you know this feeling. Box is all steampunk looking. It's in brown colors, which looks like leather with chores all over it. At the front, as always, doll portrait, her name and name of the series. On the sides, Tiea full height portrait with and without her hat. On the background we can see that everything is prepared for picnic. On the back, Tiea portrait again, and information about what is included in the set. Below are all characters of Alvastaria doll line and information about body type, which is Flexion XS body. On the top is absolutely the same picture as on the front of the box. So, behind we see a fairly simple brown background with a sketch of paperback, apple and something which looks like a pen or pastry, I think. Here also attached usual maintenance guide and doll book. On the first page is information about Tiea and detailed list of all the things included with the doll. We can learn here her story. She with her twin brother runs a small tailor store. She is mainly in charge of a design and needlework. She is a little impatient girl, but at the same time she is shy. For her friends she makes discounts and free decorations. Nice to have such friend. On the second page there is a big photo and little piece of Tiea's work diary. In this diary she describes how they, while returning from the picnic, met three of their friends. They were wearing clothes made by her, and she got a bit carried away checking her work. Then she recommended them to visit the sea. Then we see the short introduction story about the world of Alvastaria and a photo of all its characters. Okay, let's look closer on the doll herself. She has a gold shiny straight hair with the side bangs. Her head underneath is painted white, and as always the writing is done very well. Her eyes are aqua green and her mouth is shaped like a cutie kitty cat shape. It kinda reminds me of Coron from Execute line. On her cheeks she has an orange blush, skin tone is white. On her hands we see little lace cuffs. In the middle of them is 4 leather straps. They don't have any fasteners, so the best way to take them off is by taking off her hands first. She is wearing some kind of upper dress with weirdly shaped apron. It's a blue color and has 6 metal buttons and 4 leather elements with the same color buckle. On sides there are cute pink ribbons. And she has this apron thing on the back too. Under straps there are laces, so you can see only part of them peeking out. This dress fastens with black velcro. Underneath there is a white shirt with half-length sleeves. On the end of them there is also lace. Also, she has a very cute pleated skirt of mustard color, and under it is pink net underskirt for volume. It is attached to the skirt and can be worn separately. The skirt fastens with a transparent button, while the shirt fastens with velcro. And of course, she is wearing a cute white panties with a little blue bow. On her legs are semi-transparent white and mustard striped knee socks. And I'm really in love in her brown suit boots. They are so incredibly cute. On sides they have white lace bow, and in front they have a dark brown faux leather tip. With her goes also a little faux leather choker, which fastens on the hook, and a hat with a visor with the same leather material. On sides it has a little round metal decoration. The cape looks really cool and well made. Inside it has a white fabric. How to put it? Damn, I actually don't like how it looks on her. I don't know. Am I doing something wrong? Guys, I'm not sure if I put it correctly. Another cute addition is a cute grey cape. It also fastens with a hook and has leather straps details. Same as on her choker and dress, those straps have metal buckle details, which really brings the whole picture together. Inside it also has a white lining. I really like the attention to detail. It makes the clothes look more realistic. In the box she also has additional set of hands. By the way, if you ever were thinking about additional hands for an Azone doll, pay attention to its size. Hands for XS body are different with S and M body hands and won't fit. I actually really like how detailed costumes of Alvastaria line. No, I need to take it off. I'm sorry. They all have the same steampunk leather theme. She is very cute, same as her previous version. Just look at them together! I think it's my favorite Alvastaria mode. It's wonderful how I'm getting completely different vibes from them. Latest Tiea more fun and relaxed. I mean, it was picnic time, right? However, I think that clothes of previous Tiea was a bit more uncommon. For example, interesting looking leg garter. Anyway, I love them both. In my opinion, she's really cute addition to a collection. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to tap with all your strengths on a subscribe and bell button. It will really support me and inspire to make new videos related to dolls. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.